So hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are fine and safe. So as we are in the festive mood and New Year is just knocking at the door, so I wish you all with a very happy New Year in advance. So my warm wishes are always with you all people and have a wonderful year ahead. So this is the time to have a party, a musical party. So for musical party we need a lot of musicians. So today I am going to create a lot of musicians with chunks. So I am going to create some characters using some chunk materials. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, मेरे पास कुछ पुराना जंक मटेरियल्स था लोहे का, तो मैं उनको सिलेक्ट करके साइड में कर रहा हूँ एज़ पर माई रिक्वायरमेंट. सो ये रहे सब मटेरियल्स जो मुझको चाहिए. सो फॉर द टूल्स आई नीड a screwdriver, a plier, a nose plier, a forceps, and we need some Fevikwik. So these are the materials which I need for my first character. So this is a metallic wire and let's start. So पहले इसको unscrew करेंगे और जो head है ये head हम लोग use करेंगे as a head of the character. So इसको हम खोल लेते हैं using a screwdriver and be very careful while using sharp tools. So this is the head which I need. So this is a screw. I need to put it inside and इसमें हम लोग Fevikwik apply करके fix कर देंगे as you can see in this video. So I have applied Fevikwik and I have attached the head with the screw and I have taken a screw with, we will unscrew the nut from the bolt and we have to put the bolt and the nut just perpendicular to each other. So ये ऐसा लगेगा जब हम लोग इसको फेविक्विक से चिपका देंगे. सो ये हम लोग के पास दो नट है, इसको हम लोग फेविक्विक देके चिपका देंगे और वो ऐसा दिखने लगेगा. तो इसको हम लोग एज अ लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी यूज़ करेंगे और ये एज द लेग्स. एज यू कैन सी दिस हैज़ बिकेम द लेग्स and the nuts has become the lower part and this is became the body with the head. So this washer will be used as the shoulders as well as the middle part, the chest part of the character. So इसको हम लोग अच्छी तरह से फेविक्विक से चिपका देंगे. तो ये एक small washer which I will be using as the supporting element of the lower part. So this is an instrument which I have made using a metallic wire coiled as you can see like this. So this will be a trumpet. So this is the hand. I have used a metallic wire and have pasted it using the Fevikwik. So this is the front part or the basic part of the body and I have used a cap with a washer and a nut. So this we need to fix with Fevikwik. So this is how it looks like after pasting all the elements with the lower part of the body. So आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि ये सारा चीज़ मैंने बनाया है, सारा कैरेक्टर्स. दिस इज़ आई हैव शोड यू जस्ट नाउ. ऐसे ही करके मैंने बहुत सारा कैरेक्टर्स बनाया है. एक हैंड हारमोनियम एंड दिस वन फॉर द फ्लूट. दिस इज़ अ माइक्रोफोन, द सिंगर. दिस इज़ द गिटारिस्ट. दिस इज़ अ saxophone and this is a violin player which I have made a video earlier on my channel, you can check it out. And this is a cello player and this is a synthesizer. So for that one I will be showing you in this slide. So in this clip you can see I have made a octopad player. So these are some glimpses. This is the singer, the trumpet player, the drummer or the octopad, the guitarist, the hand harmonium, the violin player, the cello player, the synthesizer, the saxophone, the flute, and at the last but not the least the entire team. So these are some glimpses of the entire project. Now we can have the festive party with all the members I have made or I have created using chunk materials. So these are my characters as you can see. Altogether I have made 10 characters for the entire team. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you all have liked this amazing idea how to make this beautiful junk characters using junk materials. So this much for today. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. So I am going to show you what I have made and what you have seen in this video. So these are the musicians what I have made. So as you can see in this camera, as I can show you, this is all the musicians what I have made using the junk characters. I have used a metallic tray, a steel tray for the base. So I hope you all have liked this video. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, be safe, take care, see ya, have a good day, and keep doing DIYs. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.